Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ecom Himalaya, and in today's video we are going to discuss how we can create an awesome looking home page. We are also going to go ahead and see what are the customization settings that our theme offers. And last but not least, we are going to see how I'm going to share the exact strategy how I create images for my e-commerce or dropshipping website. So today's video is going to be very important, guys. Make sure you watch the complete video very carefully. And for those who are new to this channel, we are actually creating an e-commerce website from scratch, the one that you can see right now on my screen. The best thing is that you don't need to have any coding knowledge for it. I've already created a playlist, guys. The link for that playlist will be in iCard above and in description below, guys. Let's start with today's video, guys. This is our seventh video in the same playlist, and today's we are going to create an awesome looking homepage. So let's start, guys. The first thing that we need to do is log in into our website. In order to log in into your website, you need to type in your domain name /wp admin, and after that you need to enter your user credential, guys. I have my user credential here, so I'm going to enter the same. Okay guys, as you can see, guys, I've created a local host in my PC so that I can edit this website for free. And for those who want to see how you can create a local host for free, there will be a link in the description and in iCard above. You can go and check it out, guys. Once I log in into my website, guys, this is how my panel is looking right now. And let me refresh it, and I will head over to pages. I'll click on all pages and I'll click this one. I've already created a home page, guys, so that it will be easy to follow along. As you can see, this is the exact home page that we are going to build, guys. It is looking very awesome, guys, and I'll show you exactly how you can build it. And you don't need to have any coding knowledge, obviously. Okay, so right now our home page is looking like this. We are going to convert this home page to this home page, and so first thing that I am going to discuss is about the customization settings of the theme. Before that, in our previous video we have already discussed how we can create various pages such as shipping policy, refund policy, privacy policy, terms and services, contact us, track order, and we have also created header and footer, guys, as you can see. Now let's see what is the customization settings that our theme offer. All you need to do is hit on this customize button, guys. So these are the settings, these are the customization that our theme by default offer, and it is very important for you to know how you can make all these changes so that you can have your own color scheme on your website, your own typography, guys. And I'll show you what are other things that you can change. As you can see, these are complete customization settings that my theme offers right now. First of all, let's go to general tab. In general tab there is layout, sidebar, colors. Let's start with colors, guys. So right now my color scheme is looking like this. Let me go ahead and go to shop page, guys. If you see, I have already created a video in which how you can create these product, guys, and you can go and I'll link it in the description. You can see how you can create this amazing product. So the first thing that we are going to do is, as you can see, my color palette is looking like this. If I click on palette 2, my colors are changing. Click on palette 3, my colors are changing. And you see here is a folder option. If I click on this one and I click on this one, see, my color scheme has all changed. It is looking good, guys. So depending on the color scheme of your website, you can change your colors from here, guys. Okay, and we have bunch of options. We have so many options, and even you can edit them separately as well. Let me show you here. See, can change it to this one, can change it to this one, we can change it to this one, any color, guys. Okay, so this is the setting from which we can change color, guys. Okay, if you want, you can change separate color as well. Let me show you how you can do. Let's click on first one. As you can see, this is this one is for strong text, this one is for medium text. Similarly, this one is for accent, guys. All you can change that. Let me show you. See, the colors are changing. So in this way you can change your color scheme as well, guys, if you want. Since we are creating that website and the color scheme of that website is like this, I'm going to keep it like this. Okay, you can change side background as well. You can change title above content background. Okay, let me show you what exactly it is. So let's head over to WooCommerce. Okay, in WooCommerce, let's head over to single product layout. So once I click on single product layout, let me click on one of them. Right now you can see I in above content layout I have selected nothing. I've provided you a file in which I have already selected nothing. If I click on this extra title area, so you'll see I'll get a title area like this. So that background color is for that title. As you can see, brown color there is there. So here I can see it is brown in color. Okay, so I've already deselected it because I don't like it. If you are importing my file, you will get all the settings that I have, and by default it was selected to nothing because I really like that. But still, if you want to enable it, you can enable it. What you can do, you can enable it and then you can disable this one. And in order to disable this one, it is very easy. Just click on this title. Once you click on this title, you won't see title here. In that case, you can put title above, guys. Okay, so this is what above content layout means. Let's head over to journals color. Okay, so here you can change all the settings, guys. You can change colors, and let's go to buttons. In button settings you can change color of buttons as well, guys. You can change text color as well, guys. You can do almost each and everything here. Here are so many customization options that you can do. You can change font of that color, font of buttons as well if you want. And if you want to change the font of site, for that we have this option called typography. Once you click on it, you can see by default it is selected to Poppins. If you want, you can select it to, let's say, Lato. Lato is a good font. Let's select Lato. Here you can see it is selected to Lato. If you don't want Lato, then we can go with, let me see, can go with which one? Mothret. It is a good font, guys. You can go this one as well. So you can change it from here. By default it is going to be Poppins. If you want it, you can change it, guys. So depending on how you want your website to be, you can change the font of heading first as well, heading 2, heading 3. There are so many customization settings that you can do here, guys. So that is for typography, guys. Scroll to top, I have already shown you in my previous video as well. This is this option, scroll to top. If I want, I can change it to this one. Here you can see it got changed. Now let's select this one because I like. If you want, you can have it in left as well. Once I click on left, you can see it is on left. If I want, I can have it in right. So right is looking very fine. 404 page. So let me tell you what 404 page is. Whenever anyone is going to visit our website and they enter a wrong URL of our website, let's say they enter pp, so what is going to happen, they will be seeing this 404 page, not found page. So that is what 404 page is, and for that 404 page we have all these options, guys. Okay, now let me show you exactly what layout option does here. So in order to show you layout, I need to go to pages. Let's go with this one. Okay, let's see. So let's edit this page, guys. So our page has different layout, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly what are the different layouts that our page offers and how you can select the layout that you like. So right now you can see, if you are not getting this option, suppose if you are getting this option, or suppose if you are getting this option, then you can click on this one. This is called page setting. Once you click on it, you'll be getting bunch of these options. Okay, so in layout section it is selected to default. Let's go ahead, and I wanted to make it full width. Okay, if I click on full width and if I update it, guys, you'll see my layout will be in full width. Click on view page. The padding that I'll have on left and right will get removed. As you can see, it is get removed now. So that is what layout is. If you want, you can enable sidebar as well. Okay, so from here you can select sidebar as well. If you want sidebar in left hand side, then you can select that. If you want it on right hand side, then you can select that. By default, I've already done all the hard work, so it is already selected. If you want, you can have this in unboxed as well. Let me show you. So in default setting, it is selected to boxed. So I click on it, you'll see padding will be there. See, you are not seeing this page in boxed container, right? But if I select it boxed container, then it is going to happen. Just update, and here you can see it is in boxed container, and I'll be getting padding from left and right. If I want, I can disable padding from top and bottom as well. We have that option as well. Content vertical padding, if I want, I can enable it on bottom only. If I want, I can disable them. If I want, I can enable them on top only. Okay, so these are the various settings, and if you want, you can even disable header and footer for a particular page as well. That is what I really like about this cadence theme, because it has all-in-one feature that you need. So we don't have to install any extra plugin. Everything is available here. So guys, yes, right now as you can see, I have an option for page title as well. If I want, I can enable and disable it as well. By default, I have enabled it. What I mean by page title, let's go with sample. Okay, let's update it. Once I hit on update, you'll see I'll get a sample title here for the page. We hit on enter. Here you can see I'm getting this option. If I disable it from here, then I won't be getting this option. Let me refresh it. See, it is not there. So by default, I've done all the settings. You really don't need to change it, but in any case, if you want to make any customization on your website, I've shown you exactly how you can do all this customization. So I've done all the settings for the customization set. I've set by default header to be enabled. Similarly, I've set page title to be enabled. This is how I've set it. Okay guys, and for customization setting, this layout setting is similarly like this. If you want, you can have more padding, and you can change almost everything from here, guys. So that is what layout actually means. So 404 page we have already done. Comments, reviews section. For reviews, I'll have a separate video, guys, in which I'll show you how you can enable image reviews on your e-commerce or a dropshipping website, and I'm sure you will like it. So make sure that you subscribe to this video channel, because there is so much that will be coming out in future in this particular channel. Okay guys, so breadcrumbs, let me show you what breadcrumbs is. Okay, so I'll tell you what it is. In social links, you can enter your Facebook page, you can enter your Twitter page, you can enter your Instagram page, your YouTube account. So you can enter all these details here. And for performance, I'll have a separate video in which I'll show you how you can optimize your performance more for your e-commerce or dropshipping website. We are also going to go ahead and see what the security settings that we are going to do for our website. So there is no need to worry, guys. I'll show you. But in any case, if you have not enable this one, load Google Fonts locally. Okay, guys. And yes, these are general settings. In header, I have already made a tutorial in which I have shown you how you can create header and footer for your website. As you can see, in tablet mode, I'm getting this type of an option, but in tablet mode I can see my header is like this. And similarly, we have done all the settings for footer as well, so you can watch that video. Inside a page layout, I have already told you what page layout it. As you can see, I have selected by default settings here. So I've selected each and everything here, and there is nothing much that you wanted to do here. And in order to show you what exactly it's mean, let's go to our shipping policy, guys. Okay, so breadcrumb is basically the path of your website. If I enable it, you will see breadcrumb here. Just a minute, you'll see it. Here you can see home shipping policy. So user can click on home and then go to home website, then go to home page. If you want, I can disable it. I really don't like it, so I have disabled it, but in any case you want to enable it, you can enable it from here, guys. Okay, so page default layout, you can set page default layout from here. I've done everything for you, so there is no need for you to do it. I have shown you what exactly this means. So these are by default settings that I have done. In case you have imported my file, then you will be getting same option like this. Once you click on design mode, you can see we can change page title, font, and everything from here as well. Okay, so let's go to blog post. We can enable blog on our website as well. I'll show you how you can enable blog as well. So these are the settings for blog, in which you can set what are the various settings that you want for your blog post. So this is that setting, guys. And let's go to search result settings. If someone is going to search on your website, then these are those settings. If you want, you can change it, but you really don't need to change it, guys. I've done everything for you. Site identity, here in site identity you can change your logo. You can enter, just click on journal. Let me show you. You can change your logo, guys, and you can enter site title, you can enter tagline. Okay, so these are the settings that you can do here. So in header, footer, we have already done. Site identity we have done. Menus, I have already told you. In menus, we have already seen how we can create different menus for our header and footer. So that video we have already discussed about it. Widgets are same as these are different widgets, and we have already discussed about it, guys, in our previous video when we have created header and footer. For home page settings, we have different settings for our home page. And for WooCommerce, guys, you need to check this one. Let me show you. Let's go to shop page. Okay, so first of all, you can enable store notice. So if I want, I can enable store notice. I just click on this one, will enable it. If I want, I can enter anything, like this is a demo store for testing purposes. No order will be or shall be fulfilled. So this store notice is above my website. As you can see, it is above. If I click on bottom, then it is going to be on bottom. If I click on hang over top, then it is going to be hang over top as well. If I want, I can disable this button of dismiss. So in that way, the customer will see this option and will cannot dismiss this store notice as well. Right now, I don't want that. If you are creating your website and your website is online, then you can enable it. And even if you have any offer running, or you want your offer to be look like this, then you can enable it, because you can literally type anything here. You can enter something like, let's say, use 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 get 10 to get 10% discount. So I can enable this. Okay, enable this store notice. Let's update it. So yes, as you can see, I've said this, use get 10 to get 10% discount. Okay, so we can enter that as well. If I want, I can change background color from here as well of store notice. Let's suppose here you can see. Let's put it like this. If I want, I can change text color as well. Okay, text, font, style, size. I can do literally everything from here, guys. But I don't want it to be enabled, so I'll disable it, guys. So this is store notice for product catalog. Product catalog is basically our shop page. So in shop page, our layout is going to look like this, and inside that layout we will be getting this option for breadcrumb description. I've already shown you what these options are. I've shown you layout option as well. If you want, you can create sidebars and you can enable sidebars from here for your shop page. Okay, guys, and let me show you one amazing thing. So right now, as you can see, if I have two images on my product, then it is sliding the second one. If I want, I can enable zoom one features. Okay, in zoom feature, I'll be getting this option. Let me just show you. See, it is zooming. If I want, I can select it to flip as well. Then in that case, it is going to flip the second image. Okay, and you can see it is flipping. So let's select slide one, and in button action I have enabled this bottom slide up. As you can see, whenever I am hovering over it, you will be getting this option. Okay, so if I don't hover over it, if I want it to be visible always, then I can select this one. And even if I don't want text with an arrow, if I want to have a button as well, then I can select this one. So in that case, what will happen, I will always have a button that is going to be visible here. As you can see, it is visible. Okay, so in that case, that is how we can do it. Right now, let's select this one. I like the button one, but whenever I will hover over any product, I want it to be visible. I don't want it to be always visible. So let's select this one, and here you can see I have an option. If I want to show category as well, then in that case, what I can do, I can select this one and I can select show categories and product. So once I select this option, I'll be getting categories as well, and I'll be getting products as well. If you want, you can enable only categories, and if you want, you can enable only products. Okay, as you can see, these are the categories. Okay, right now I want to enable only products, so I'll only enable products. Here we have a display option for show products, not categories. Then we have a sorting option as well, how many products that I want in a row. So right now this is our tablet mode. That is why I'm seeing these three products in one row. Okay, so if I just go to, let's see, my shop page on desktop mode, then I'll be seeing four products in one row. Okay, so you can change it from here as well. And right now, as you can see, if I click on mobile version, in mobile version I'm getting these options. Okay, so I can see two. If I want to select one, then in that case, in mobile, I'll only see one product in one row. Okay, so you can enable whichever you want. This one is looking nice as well, but if you want, you can enable two columns as well. So depending on what you want on your website, you can enable it from here. So these are our product catalog settings inside WooCommerce. If I go to design mode, whenever you go to any settings, you'll have this option to change it. For you'll have this option to change design of everything, font, color, background color. You can change literally everything from here, guys. So right now, if I click on product image, before product image we have a single product layout. For single product layout, we have already discussed about single product layout in our previous video, in which I have shown you how you can create this amazing looking product page. In our upcoming video we are going to see how we can optimize this further as well, so there is no need to worry. Okay, so right now as you can see, I have already shown you what this content is about. So I've disabled it. If I want, I can enable sidebar as well. Vertical padding we have enabled. Let me show you this one. So for price we can enable something like this, and free shipping. If you want, you can disable it, then in that case you won't be seeing this option. So for the people who are from India, you can enable this and can also enter COD available here, that is cash on delivery. Okay, and if you want, you can enable free shipping as well. So right now I don't want that, I'll disable it. If I want, I can disable categories as well. Here you can see I've selected the category for this particular product, that is for dogs. If I want, I can disable it. Okay, I can disable ratings as well. If I have a review for this particular product, then I'll be seeing rating as well. Okay, in add to cart you can change the size of add to cart as well, guys. Okay, if I select a normal one, then I'll be getting a small add to cart. If I select a large one, then I'll be getting large one. Okay, so I really like medium large, so I'll select that one. If you want, you can enable payment, guaranteed payment batches as well. Let me show you. If I enabled it, here you can have all these options, guys. I've already shown you how you can enable it in my previous video. The link for that will be in above iCard and in below description where you can enable this. So let's disable it. We don't really want it right now. Okay, so this is the customization settings for our single product page, for our page layout. If you want, you can go to product images. In product images, I usually have for 540 into 540 size for my product, so I have selected 540. If you are, building any fashion website, then you wanted to change the dimension of your thumbnails and wanted to change dimension of your product page images, then in that case you can change it from here. But for 440 really works fine. If you want, you can enable option for checkout. You will see checkout option in my upcoming video where I will show you how you can optimize cart page and checkout page. Let me quickly show you how you can enable settings for my account layout. In my account layout, as you can see, let me go to my account. So right now I have selected navigation layout as right, which means that navigation layout is on right hand side. If I want, I can enable it on left, then I'll be seeing this. If I want, I can enable this one as well, show username and avatar. In that case, I'll be getting an avatar name and a username. Let me show you here. As you can see here, if I have uploaded an image for my profile, then I'll be getting this option. Okay, so right now I want to disable it. Left one we can enable for above one as well. And once I hit on publish, let me show you guys. Hit on account. Here you can see the layout is above right now. Okay, in my upcoming video I'll need to show you how exactly you can change these as well. We will enable icons as well here in layout, which are going to look amazing, and we are also going to go ahead and create them similar to Amazon as well. I'll show you exactly how you can do that as well. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys, because there is so much that is coming on this video. And yes, this is how you can enable it right now. Let's enable it for right hand side. Let's publish it. Okay, so these are the various settings for our WooCommerce. In additional CSS, you can enter additional CSS from here. In my upcoming video I'll show you how you can use this as well. And export and import, you'll be getting this option if you have this plugin, guys. Let me show you where is. Okay, let's go to dashboard, and inside dashboard you'll be having, we have downloaded this plugin, Cadence starter template plugin. So this Cadence starter template plugin have this option. at the start of this video I have shown you how you can import my file. So if you want, you can create your own file as well, and then you can hit on export. If you click on export, you'll be getting a file that you can, you know, download, and then you can extract it, guys. So this is how you can do it. Okay. And in your another website where you want to import it, you need to click on choose file, and then you can select that file, guys. If you want, you can reset it as well. So that is all the option that our theme has. Obviously our theme has much more these option. If you I what I will suggest you to go ahead and see each and every option yourself and enable it as per your requirement. But you will see that you don't need to enable anything here, because I've done all the hard work for you, and my settings are more than enough for you guys. Okay, so these are the customization settings for our theme. So we have completed it. Now I'm going to show you how we can create our home page. So what we are going to do here, we are going to create a page, and then that page is going to be static. If you are creating a blog, you will see that your blog page is dynamic. Whenever you are adding a post, that is going to add on your home page. So for e-commerce website, you don't want that. You wanted to create a static page. For that, we need to create a static page and then set it as home page. Okay, so as you can see in my here in my settings as home page settings, once I click on customization, customize, then I will go to home page settings. Then I'll have this option called static page. In static page, I can select a particular page that I wanted to create as static. So what I am going to do, let me just go ahead and create one page, all pages. Then I'll hit on new. Once I click on new pages, then I'll create a new page. Okay, and we will name it as home, because it is going to be our home page. Then I'll hit it home page, then I'll publish it. Just a minute, we also wanted to do one more thing. Advanced. Okay, for now on just publish it, guys. Okay, so once we have published it, guys, a paralink is going to be formed for this page. So I hit on view page. So this is the page, this is the link for that page. Okay, so it has automatically made it as home too. Maybe I have, you know, a home page here, that is why it has made it like this, but no worries. So what we are going to do here, we are going to we are going to select a static, and inside that static, not getting this option, let me refresh it, reload. So now I'll be getting this page. All I need to do is select this one. Okay, let's go to home page settings, static page, and in static page we are going to select home. Okay, then hit on publish. Now I have selected home page as static. So if I click on it, I'll be getting this page once it is updated, as you can see. So let's edit our home page. Okay, before that we also going to go ahead and see what are the settings that we can do. Okay, so this is the home page that we are making. Okay, so the first section is going to be hero section. So the first section of any website is known as hero section. So we are going to build this hero section. Before that, I wanted to show you how exactly you can create these images, because it is very important to have these images, and I have done a particular setting for this home page. I'm going to show you exactly what are the settings. If I click on this one, these three dots here, if I click on zoom out, as you can see, guys, my layout, my hero section is not changing. You can see it is exactly same. So it is same because I have set it same for all the devices. So it does not matter if someone is logging from a large or a big screen, or if someone is logging from their TV, if someone is logging from a big desktop, then they are going to see the exact layout, which is going to look amazing. For this layout, you need to create images exactly what I told you. You need to create do settings that I have told you. If you don't do that, what will happen? One image is going to come as big and one image is going to be short. So make sure you watch this completely, guys. I've done the settings already and I'll show you exactly you can do that. So our image, we are going to create our image on what? On a free tool. That free tool is known as Canva, guys. Most of you already know about Canva. For those who don't know Canva, Canva is a free online software in which you can do create amazing images. You can even edit videos as well. So this is the free version right now that I am using. I'm already logged in into my Canva account. In case, let me show you what you can do. So right now I'm in my incognito mode. If I hit on Canva, then you'll be getting a first link, guys, as you can see. So if you don't log into Canva, let's say I search Canva here. As you can see, you need to click on this one, guys, www.canva.com, and in Canva you can log in, you can sign up, guys. I've already logged in, so my account is looking like this. So for design, we need to create a custom design, and for my custom design, what are my width is going to be 900, guys. Make sure that you are doing the exact image size that I am doing. If you don't do that, then be able to get you won't be able to get a home page evenly for all the device, guys. Okay, so 900 and this is going to be 450. Okay, so right now I'm on my screen, guys, as you can see. So we need to create an image. So it is very important, if you are creating any e-commerce website, then you need to have stock free images. For those who don't know what stock free images are basically free images that you can use on your website. It does not have any license, and you won't be getting any copyright for that images. So it is very essential that any image that you use on your website will be a stock free images, guys. So make sure that you use stock free images. So for stock free images, there are multiple websites in which we can go. One of the famous website is Pixabay. Pixabay, can go to this website, and we also have Pixels as well. Pixel, okay, Pixels. So these are two websites that I use. I mean, I've used so many websites. If you want me to create a separate video in which I'll show you various websites from where you can have all these stock free images, then let me know. I'll create a separate video for it. But right now, as you can see, these two websites are more than enough. So here you will be getting all the stock free images. From here we are going to create those images. So for that, what we can do, guys, let's go with, because we are creating a pet store, then we need to search for pet. Okay, and let's duplicate it from here. Okay, let's select this one. This one is looking nice, right, guys? So I'll show you exactly how you can create those images. As you can see, that this is stock free image, guys, free to use. So we can use this image and it is looking very nice. Okay, if you are not getting any image, then you need to select, let's select dog, or you can select pet, you can select anything. Okay, guys, so by dog we will be getting all these option, guys. So right now I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this image. So first thing we need to do is to download this one. Let's Okay, make sure that you select this medium one. Okay guys, now hit on free download. Once you download it guys, let's open it. I'll save it on my desktop right now. Okay, once I've saved it on my desktop, what I am going to do, because we don't want this pink color guys, so what we are going to do, we are going to remove this pink color, and I'm going to share the exact strategy that I used to create this. Okay, so I need to click on edit picture. Once I click on edit picture, I'll hit on crop, then I'll remove everything. So this is my object guys. So my object is right now this Pomeranian dog. Okay, this is Pomeranian dog, right guys? Okay, so no, this is not Pomeranian dog. Sorry. So yes, we need to select our image guys, and once we select an image, let's hit on OK. So as you can see, I can even, yes, I can even do that. Let's hit on OK. Okay, now let's save it. I've pressed Control plus S to save it. If you don't want, if you can go to save as well. Okay guys, so I've saved it. Now I'm going to do what? I'm going to go to this website, remove.bg. Just search remove.bg and then you'll be getting this option. Now I'm going to remove this. So I'll upload an image. Upload image. Go to desktop and select. So it will automatically remove background of this. So as you can see, my background has been removed automatically. So initially I have cropped that particular image. So why I have cropped that image? I can simply, upload it here. Well, basically I have cropped it to make that picture of smaller size. So whenever you are going to edit it, you will see you are getting this option. Either I can download it in full HD or either I can download it in good quality. Okay, so for this one you need to sign in, and once you sign in on this website, you will be getting only 5 free credits that you can use. So usually I don't do things like that. What I do, I crop images so that the object clarity will remain same. That is why I have cropped it. Once I have cropped it, I'll be getting an HD image that has a size of this. Okay, so this size is more than enough for the image that I wanted to make, because initially you see I wanted to create an image that is 900 into 450. So 900 and 450 is going to be perfectly fine for me. Now I can upload it here. Once I upload it guys, see I create thumbnail for my YouTube video on Canva as well. So it is a very good tool. It is very free tool. They have a pro version as well. If you have a pro version, you can remove background right now here on Canva panel, but I don't suggest you to go with pro version. But still, if you wanted to have some extra feature, then you can go with the pro plan. But free plan is more than enough for everyone guys, and all we need to do is upload it. See, I've uploaded it. Now it is looking like this. I can make it big. Okay, so it is looking HD right now. Now I can change color of it. Okay, if I want, I can change color to this, I can change color to this, I can change color to this, I can change any color I want. So right now let's see our website. Let me remove other extra things from here. Okay, so this is our website, right? So okay, so for color I'll suggest use yellow color. So this is the extension guys that I'll suggest you to download. Once you click on this one, you can download this extension. So what will it will help us to identify the color of any image on any website. Okay, So I'm downloading it, and once we have downloaded it, we need to click on this one. Done. Now go to our home page, and then as you can see, the color has already been selected, right guys? All I need to do is click. It has already been copied. Now I'll go to this one, I'll paste this one, as you can see. So this color has already been done here. So in this way you can create images. Okay, so suppose my homepage is looking like this right now, right? So welcome to your store. If you want, you can have it from here. Let's go with this one. Welcome to your store. Okay, you can have any name you want to your store to be. Store. Okay, hit on this one. Let's select this one, and for it we can go with this. You can go with any color. Like, I have a good font as well here. Let's enter sugar. Okay, more sugar. So this is the same font that I have used for that one. Okay guys, so as you can see, further I can do so many changes to this font as well. If I go to, let's say, effect, and in effect setting I can go to this one. Here you can see it is looking something like similar, and if I want I can select this one. See, so you can do something like this. Okay, it's welcome to your store, and then you can enter things here. Free shipping, then you can, you know, and then enter what, sale up to 50%. Okay, so you can select anything from here guys. Okay, we can change this to this as well, this to this as well. Okay, if you want you can go with, let's say, 24. So you can go anything. Okay, let's select 24 for here as well. It is not looking. If I want to make it bold as well, I can go to this one and select this one. Here you can see. So this is how you can create images for your e-commerce or a dropshipping website. So I wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how you can create it. As you can see, so similarly I have created this one. Let's see. And yes, you can enter what? You can enter something. Let me show you there only, na? I've already created it, so let me show you. See, I have created this one. Welcome to your store, sale, free COD available. If you want, you can enable, free shipping worldwide, anything that you want. And then I have created this button, guys. So this button is going to be clickable. We will create this in image itself. So what I have done, guys, let me show you what I have done here. So I've grouped it up. If I ungroup it, so you can see this is the image. This is the shape. So if I go to element, guys, I'll be getting this option for shapes, and inside shapes, as I can, if I select this one, as you can see, I've selected it like that, and above that I have, added this text of shop now. Okay, so that is how you can create this particular image. So I've created this image like this. So obviously the, as you can see, 900 into 450. So the width for this particular image is 900 pixel and the height is 450 pixel. Okay, and now if you see my home page, I have this image as well. So the dimension of this image, guys, please be careful for with this one. The dimension of this image is going to be, if you click on customization, then you'll go with 900 into 900 and then hit on create design. Okay, and once you have done all the things, this is, by the way, a free image that I have found. That is why I've selected it. I've cropped it like that, and in order to download it, you need to click on share, then you need to click on download. In this section, what I'll suggest you, highly suggest you to go with JPG, guys, because JPG size is going to be small. If your website, if your image size is going to be small, that means your website is going to load faster, right? You can go with PNG image as well if you want, if you have a good hosting, but I'll highly suggest you to go with JPG because they both look similar, guys. So once you have selected JPG, all you need to do is hit on download. So hit on download, then you'll be able to download this file. And this is how I've created images. This is the exact strategy that I use whenever I found a good image with a good object. Then I'll go to remove.bg. After cropping, I'll remove the background of that image, then I'll upload it in Canva, and then I'll have all the text. Right now, as you can see, this image is looking like this. If I want, I can flip it horizontally. So I can put everything. Just a minute. This is drag and drop approach here. Okay, if I put it here, I put it like this. See, it is looking amazing as well. So that is how you can do it. If you want, you can, let's go with this one and just put it like this. Okay, right? And when you create this button as well, then it is going to look like this. Okay, so if it is not, then just do something like this, guys. See, it is looking like this. Then I can put button. Okay, see, that is how I've created a new image, and it is looking fine as well, guys. So you can create it like this. As you can see, the line height for this one is more. Okay, so I wanted to change it. So line spacing, I can decrease it from here. As you can see, I'll come to your store. So this is how I can decrease it. If I want, I can move it above, can move it below, and then I can move my shop button above. So this is how you can change it, guys. Alright guys, as you can see, this is how we can create an amazing looking images for our e-commerce or dropshipping website that does not have any copyright. And it is very essential that you create an awesome, beautiful and professional looking images for your e-commerce website, so that the customer can trust more and you will have high conversion rate for your store. Okay, I've shared the exact strategy in which I've shown you how you can create this type of an image. And for those who are new to this channel, you can see the playlist or right now on your screen. You can see how we can create this amazing website for free. Thank you so much for watching it, guys. That is it for today's video, guys, and I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, guys, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Bye bye, take care, guys.